Hello and welcome to Geography B, fall semester. This is an instructional video on how to navigate the course and some important things to see. So, for starters, the assignment due date is right up here. If you click on this, it pops up as assignments, the date it's calculated, and the day and the name of the assignment. Anytime we go past this date, I put a 0 in the grade book, and it will be registered for that as far as calculations for eligibility and whatnot. If you ever do bad or struggle on an assignment and feel like you want to redo it or try for more points, go ahead and reach out to me and talk to me. The best thing that I could say is make sure that we have open lines of communication, and we will have a successful semester. Here are eligibility check dates. If you click here, it brings it up, lets you know when your grades are going to be pulled for if you want to play in sports or band or any activity, extracurricular activity. Here's a link to PowerSchool to log in. My office hours are right here. If you want to call me on this number, this gets you a direct line to me, and I will be in my room able to answer the phone during these times. If it's outside of these times, I'm probably available, but it would have to be through email. And here's my biography. So to get started, you can start right here and click on Eastern Europe. Go ahead and get started. Click here, and then just go ahead and go through each page for each section and submit assignments when you are done. If you have something come up where there's an issue and something's on the page that doesn't seem to be loading, and you're struggling with it, and so right here it says it can harm your computer. Don't worry about that. Go ahead, log out of Google Chrome and go to Internet Explorer and try and access the information there, and that seems to have solved that issue in the past. If you're still having troubles, make sure you reach out to me and let me know. The more that I know or sooner I know, the more likely it is I can help you and fix the issue. On the side here is a course navigation, and you can go through and go to home, announcements, all that kind of stuff. Anytime you're anywhere in the course and if you get lost, click that up top and it brings you back to the home page, and you can get back to wherever you need to go. This button right here will collapse the course navigation on the side, and then you can access things from the home page as well. So, again, the biggest thing for you to understand is to reach out and ask questions when you are struggling. And I'm here to help and here to hopefully guide you and make this a successful semester in geography. Thanks.